learning a new language is certainly not easy. And Python is one of the new languages many of you are learning right now. So I want to introduce some of the communities and resources you can leverage to help you learn Python quickly and also more efficiently. First of all, there are different popular groups or communities you can ask questions. Stack Overflow is the classic one, and Reddit. And also for all communities, I will create a Python Discord as well. So later on the website link, at the bottom of the website, you can click that Discord link to join the Discord server where you can share all your Python questions, and me and my friends will try to answer any of your Python questions you have. And also, there are many online learning platforms besides the CPA coders. So those platforms can show different aspects of Python as well. Well, CPA coders is uniquely positioned to provide Python training together with the CPE certificates. Those courses are also valuable as well. And most because most of you are CPAs or working in finance and accounting, so you are likely work with those open source packages and libraries out there, and you can certainly Google those ones yourself and ask ChatGPT and ask Copilot to about those packages and how to use packages to help your current projects. So those are all the things you can do. And I put with AI, I put some like sample AI prompts where AI can help you to write a quick Python functions or method, or can help you, explain certain type of errors happening in your code. And last but not least, those are the very famous people I personally follow to learn Python myself. And also, since we're a community, I want you to be very active as part of the Discord group and help each other out as well, right? So we're all friends learning together here. So with this being said, I think we only have a few Python basic courses in the next. So make sure you learn all of them carefully. And I will see you later in the intermediate courses again, and to show you how you can build Python programs to manipulate Excel files and as well as create great charts and visuals for your dashboard. I will see you next time. Thank you all.